Now let's see if what our compass is doing. Let's put it away from metal. I reversed that compass. The South Pole is now facing. Is it?
North is that way. Mr. Murray, how could you?
Isn't north that way?
Yeah.
Well, the compass
That way.
is that way.
Okay, the compass is pointing. The North Pole is pointing this way, right? Yeah, but the South Pole is pointing that way. So we actually reversed this compass, right?
So also it's stuck because every time you move it, it doesn't.
An evil compass.
It gets stuck.
No, it seems like it's moving,
Okay.
right? Okay, but anyway, we know this guy's reversed. Should we try to get it the right way?
Yeah.
All right.
I think we're running out of foil. Just connect them to each other.
All right. This is off. This is unplugged. Okay, are we ready for this? Here it comes. Off. I'm unplugging this. Okay, let's check it now.
Hey, North's the other way.
Should I just demagnetize it? No, I think it's okay. Okay, now I think this thing is. Do you guys think I'm done? Can you sit down and pay attention? I'm not done. Thank you. Okay, I've got it now towing the party line. Because if I bring it in from the side, it clearly has an opinion. What? Oh yeah, sorry. If I bring it in from the side, it's clearly got an opinion. So I think we've got a South Pole there, right? Okay. I think we should magnetize some more things, don't we?
Yeah.
Shouldn't we?
Calculator.
Calculator? I know, yeah. Okay, is this magnetized? No, it's not. All right, I think we need a little bit more. By the way, my scissors are magnetized, but they don't fit into the demagnetizer. You get the drift. All right. Yeah. Okay, this is unplugged. Staples, yeah, you could. The smaller the object, the harder it is at some point. All right. We got a new fuse. Put a bird on it. All right, are we ready for this? So this is not magnetized. It soon will be. Are we ready? Woo! I like that. Is it magnetized? Yeah, so which end, what is this end? Let's check.
Our devil compass.
Well, the devil compass is pointing north, so. Well, remember on the other one, the North Pole liked that end, right? But now the North Pole is definitely fleeing from this. So this thing randomly magnetized with this end as the North Pole, right? Yeah, because the South Pole likes it. Okay. All right, so boys and girls, on the MagnaProbe lab, these things are, some of them, the ones that would actually be useful for the magnet lab itself, okay, are actually out here. So some of them are on this tables behind these guys right here, okay. The fixed magnets are in the IB Physics 2 lab room, okay. So there's a fixed magnet. I actually got a whole bunch of magnets back there for you to just see where the north and south poles are, okay. I've got a hard drive, okay. Some Nick Young years ago took a hard drive and put a window in it so you can actually see the hard drive moving. So if you take enough time, you can actually figure out how it is that little seek arm actually can move so fast. The amazing thing is that the little rattly noise that disks make is solely generated by the magnetic field. No physical contact. There's no parts banging against other parts. When you hear that little rattly sound of the hard drive, you can just see that it's just sitting there moving around. No solid object touches another solid object. So it's simply the magnetic field that's doing that, right? There's a current carrying straight wire, the flat solenoid you've already seen. Yeah, yeah.
You want to finish the engineering thing, we can just go talk to the
Talk to Cat Toms, yeah. Yeah, I've got lunch right now.
Okay. Are you going to lunch?
I'm going, yeah. Why? What you need?
I just want to see if I can retake the skill set. But
We're going to do that for our final, I think. Depending on whether they, depending on whether they take away, they might take away the last A day, right? In which case we'd have to do our test on the final day.
Do you know the address and phone number of the school?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
It is 22300. Oh wait, here, let me hit stop on the camera. 2230, yeah, Southwest